I promise if you learn these 40 must-know U.S. road signs, you'll crush the DMV driving test very easily. Okay, let's dive in. Which sign warns drivers not to enter this roadway? Can you identify the traffic sign that prohibits left turns? Which road sign alerts drivers to a school zone ahead? Spot the road sign that marks a parking area. Which traffic sign shows the posted speed limit? Identify the pedestrian crossing traffic sign. Which road sign prohibits making a U-turn? Spot the divided highway begins road sign. Which sign tells drivers to expect a yield sign ahead? Spot the road sign that marks a railroad crossing crossbuck. Which traffic sign shows a roundabout ahead? Which traffic sign warns drivers of workers ahead? Which road sign warns that the road narrows ahead? Which traffic sign tells drivers to yield to oncoming traffic? Spot the traffic sign that prohibits parking. Which sign warns drivers that lane ends merge right? Which traffic sign shows there's a speed limit ahead? Which road sign prohibits pedestrians from crossing? Spot the warning sign that says the wrong way. Which traffic sign warns of deer crossing ahead? Can you identify the sign that marks a tow-away zone? Which road sign warns of a narrow bridge ahead? spot the traffic sign that indicates two-way traffic. Which sign prohibits right turns? Can you identify the warning for the traffic light ahead? Which traffic sign indicates a stop sign ahead? Which road sign warns of a railroad crossing ahead? Can you recognize the train station direction sign? Which traffic sign warns drivers of a flagger ahead? Which traffic sign warns drivers of a slippery road when wet? Which road sign shows a reverse, turn to the left? Spot the road sign that warns of a left curve ahead. Which traffic sign warns of snowmobiles nearby? Can you identify the sign that marks divided highway ends? Spot the road sign that prohibits snowmobiles. Which traffic sign warns of a winding road ahead? Which sign tells drivers there's a height limit for trucks ahead? Which road sign shows a crossroad ahead? Spot the traffic sign that instructs drivers to keep right of obstacles. And finally, can you spot the bicycle route traffic sign? Well done making it to the end. If you want to boost your chances of succeeding on your driving test, subscribe now for weekly road signs guides and study materials. Tap on the videos above to keep learning. Keep practicing and you'll pass very easily.